Hi, I am Olivia. How can I help you in Supermaths app?
Hello Olivia, how are you doing today?
Hello. I'm doing great, thank you. How can I assist you today?
I am looking for assistant with Supermaths app.
I can help you with topics related to the Abacus, English, coding, and the 11 plus exam. Feel free to ask me anything within those areas.
Wow, that's great. Let's see.
Absolutely. Feel free to ask me any questions you have or if you need any information on those topics.
Hi everybody, meet Olivia, my new best friend.
Hello Olivia. How many countries are there in the United Kingdom?
The United Kingdom is made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each country has its own rich history and distinct culture.
Do you know the collective noun for crows?
A group of crows is known as a murder. It's quite a unique and intriguing term, isn't it?
She has answers to all my questions.